Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bing Webmaster Tools for fast. To register with Bing Webmaster Tools, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. Look for the Sign Up or Login button on the home page. If you already have a Microsoft account, click Log In. Enter your Microsoft account credentials, then click Sign In. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Bing Webmaster Tools dashboard. Click on the Add a Site button. Enter the URL of the website you want to register. Then click Add. Next, you need to verify ownership of the site. Choose one of the verification methods provided. The most common method is to add a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow the instructions to copy the provided TXT record. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS management area for your domain. Paste the TXT record into the appropriate field. Save the changes in your DNS settings. Return to Bing Webmaster Tools and click Verify. Once verification is successful, you'll gain access to various tools and features. Set up your sitemap by navigating to the Sitemaps section. Enter the sitemap URL and submit it. Monitor your site's indexing status via the dashboard. Use the insights provided to optimize your website. Regularly check back for any notifications or recommendations. This will help ensure your website is indexed quickly and efficiently. You are now fully registered with Bing Webmaster Tools. Capitalize on the features available to improve your site's visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.